All right, today's March 30th, 2024, less than 2 weeks to H-Day. Just picked up the car yesterday from paint. I've got a quick walk around video of it that I took in the parking lot there that I'll attach after this video segment. So really happy with the way it turned out. Back to original. It's got the black in between, underneath there in between the vents. Before it was silver from aftermarket bumpers. This is the OEM one. They sprayed a couple coats of clear on the headlights. Hopefully I'll keep them from yellowing. Under the hood's looking good. Got the hood repainted inside on the underside as well. Got the OEM hood installation there. So I'm going to try to get done what I can this weekend. I'm going to try to get the intake painted, and I've got a wrap for that air intake line. Hopefully cover up that ugly gold tape. But yeah, paint turned out really well. All the cowling's all new, so that's nice. So as you can see, I still have a good amount of work to do. The car's got an appointment on Monday to get all the tint redone, and then on Tuesday, I'm getting ceramic done on it. So I'm gonna hold off on putting in the new seats and carpet till those appointments are done. They did spray in the trunk channel here that had some rust in there before, just some surface rust, so that's all cleaned up now. Yep, so trying to do what I can this weekend with some little parts and stuff. Got the SRS module to replace, turn signal stock, my driver's side parking brake cable seized, just clean up the interior, stuff like that. So I'll go ahead and attach that other video, and then if there's any other progress along the way, I'll put that in here as well. So thanks a lot for watching and following along. I appreciate it. Take care. All right, it's super windy out here, but here it is. Just getting ready to pick it up from the body shop here. My wife just said the best part was the front not being all chipped up. It's looked like it's been sandblasted for years. That window trim looks a whole lot better. Had a ding there before, that's gone. Viper cowl's all new. All right, I made some good progress on it yesterday. Today, not so much, but anyhow, here's what I did. Put some sound matting, some Noiko sound matting on the inside of the passenger side door. And then installed my new driver's side parking brake cable. Installed the new SRS module in the center console below where the cubby goes. Also installed another auxiliary power outlet here, spliced into the factory wires for that. My big plug there for the Sirius XM radio is now going to be hidden under the console. And then over on the other side, let's see, I replaced this stupid little clip there for the back seat. And then over here, I installed a new headlight switch, turn signal stock. It's that whole box there. I had to take out the couple screws there, and it slides out and plugs on the other side there. So some decent progress this weekend. Taking it to
tint in the morning, and then ceramic on Tuesday. So coming along okay. Worked on painting the intake. Did not turn out well, so I had to figure out something else for that. Looks really crappy, so that's pretty disappointing. But otherwise, car's come along all right. So.